Hey YouTube, I want to make this video today to showcase my current project of forging a 24 karat gold ring. So this Perth Mint cast 1/2 ounce, 4/9's fine, obviously, beautiful bit of gold nugget. I had another one and I decided to bash it with a hammer. But no, I really wanted to work with gold. I really wanted to try and create something, and so far I've managed to achieve this hammered gold with basically just a blowtorch, a decent hammer, a forging hammer, or a planishing hammer I'm using, so I do work with metal, to create something pretty decent so far, I think, considering it's the first go. Turning that into that, and I wanted to make this video because my next stage is to cut it to size. So yeah, in case anything goes wrong, I'm kind of documenting my current success, I suppose. But an absolutely beautiful metal to work with, so soft, and yeah, I was surprised how easily I achieved this rather crude but beautiful ring. So yeah, I think I'm going to snip it with metal snips, although jewelers, from what I've seen on the internet and YouTube videos, would normally saw. But I just think I'll lose too much material that way, so I'm hoping I can just snip it in places and then be able to mold the gold with fire and achieve what I want and have some more gold to play with. But yeah, a little hammered gold like that effect there, that's just me bashing around. If I actually tried to do some precisional hammering, I'm sure it'd look better than that. And if you were on a regular basis and you get a mark or a scratch or whatever, just take it to the hammer, reshape. Because I do wear quite regularly, whenever I'm not working or I know I've got a few days off, this ring. And this is a 24 karat gold ring. I bought this in Cambodia. It's all there. Gold is 24 karat gold. No messing. And I have since had it tested, although I bought it off a shabby little marketplace in Cambodia. This is pure 24 karat gold. So I don't think I'll reach that standard, but if I can achieve what I have in my mind, I'll be happy. But so far, so this is 15.6 ounces of gold. as is this, save for 0.2 of a gram, because basically when I did this in my garage with my blowtorch and the anvil and everything, it worked out all good. But then my obsessive nature, I carried on in the evening in my house, just cold working it on the mandrel. And yeah, I lost some flakes and some dust here and there, so I won't do that again. I'll just continue to hot work it. But yeah, as I say, just wanted to make this video before I potentially destroy it, because I'm really chuffed with what I've got so far from that to that. But yeah, if anyone who ends up watching this can advise me in any way, please do. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest of it. But I hope to be able to show you another video of my complete ring. And hopefully many more videos after that. Goodbye.